Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Victoria and welcome to Pembroke Beauty. So today I did this beautiful look, which if you don't follow me on Instagram, you definitely should. I did a poll on there and I asked whether or not you guys would rather see orange or green for my next tutorial, and it was actually really close, which I was surprised about, but a lot of people said that they wanted to see orange, so I figured I would do orange. And then I did another poll to see whether or not you wanted it to be kind of like a natural video or if you wanted it to be more glamorous, and it was a little bit less even, but a lot of you said that you wanted to see natural, so I went with a natural orange look as you guys asked for. So thank you guys if you did participate in that poll. I really appreciate it. It really helps me figure out what you guys want to see so that I can put that content out for you. So if you do want to see how I got this makeup and you want to see how to do it, it was very easy. So definitely keep on watching. So I first went in and primed with my SD Carrots Nourishing Face Moisturizer, and then I did my concealer with the CoverGirl Clean Matte Concealer, which I really like. It is very light coverage, and I just blended this in with my finger, and especially underneath my eyes because I had a lot of dark circles that day. Then I went in with the Pretty Vulgar Loose Translucent Powder, and look at how cute the little thing is, like the little puff. So cute! And I got this in last month's BoxyCharm. So I really like this, but I hated using it with the puff. It was kind of like I would rather just use a brush. So that's what I ended up doing, and I set my entire face. I really liked this powder, so highly recommend that. Then I went in with the Anastasia Glow Kit in the Sugar Glow Kit, and I went into all of the shades and highlighted my face with this Luxie 660 brush, which I really like. And then I went back in and intensified with the two light colors with the e.l.f. brush that I really like using. Then I went in with Wet n Wild Pearlescent Pink Color Icon Blush and used my Tarte brush to blush up my cheeks a little bit. It's more of an apricot blush, so I figured it would be good. Then I went in with the Ciate London Bamboo Bronzer in Palm Island. I got this in an Ipsy box a really long time ago, which is why it's so small, but I really like this. It is definitely on the warm side, so I have to use it a little sparingly, but it is very matte and it blends very nicely. Then I went in with the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter, and I put this all over my face as an all-over glow. And I really like that because it is a little dark for me right now because I'm really pale, so I kind of tend to use that in that way. Then I went in with the NYX, brow mascara in chocolate as per usual, and brushed that through my brows, and you can do whatever brow routine you like, but I really like that one. Then I went in with the Morphe Boss Mood palette, which is my first time, actually my second time using it, but first time on camera. And I went into the shade Play It Cool, which is like a warm brown transition shade, and I used this big fluffy Morphe Beautiful in Bronze brush and just blended that throughout the crease, kind of messily. I just wanted it to be everywhere, really. I put that underneath in my eyes as well. I kind of wanted to smoke it out. Then I went into Peachy Keen with a more round top dome brush from that same Morphe Beautiful in Bronze brush or set. And I placed this again in my crease, but a little bit lower, and brought it a little bit more onto my lid. And I really like this shade. It blended so easily and was extremely pigmented. Then I just went back in with the first brush and blended everything. Then I went back in with the round dome top brush and Fired Up, and placed this again kind of over top of where I put Peachy Keen. I really wanted the orange to pop, so that's what I used that for. And again, going back in with the first brush with nothing on it to blend everything. Then I went in with Bright Eyes on my Lottie London brush, which, I like to use for shimmers. And this is so beautiful. It's like an orangey copper. And I just placed this all over the lid. I used it dry, and it is insanely pigmented. And I just kind of slid this on and patted it, and then I put a little bit under my eyes as well. Again, back in with the first brush, and then I took it again, Bright Eyes, on my finger to really intensify the shimmer, and it worked really well that way as well. So whichever way you'd rather, or if you wanted to wet your brush, you could totally do that. Then I took some of the Marshmallow shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit and highlighted my inner corners and my brow bones with my e.l.f. concealer brush, which you know is my favorite highlighting brush for those two places. Again, just blending, and then I went in with the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in Mr. Bing, which is like a very warm tone brown, and put this in my waterline. If you wanted to use white, you could totally do that, but I felt like it would go well. Then I did a really thin line, not a wing, just a line, right along my lash line to kind of make your lashes look a little thicker. Then I curled my lashes, and I used the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, obviously, because why wouldn't I? Then I set my face with the Flower Beauty Seal the Deal, which I really like that spray. And went in with the IT Superhero Mascara, which was in my favorites for 2018, so check out that video if you haven't. And I just did like 1 or 2 layers of this. It's such a good mascara. I'll show you a close-up. Look at how good! Like, my lashes look really good with that mascara, so. Then I went in with the Melted Matte Too Faced liquid lipstick in Sell Out, which is kind of a warmish toned nude. And went in with the Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint in Strike Gold. And I got this again in last month's BoxyCharm, which I didn't do a video on because I just ran out of time. This is a beautiful color, but I was struggling to get this out of the container. I don't know if it's how the formula is. It's a very sticky gloss, I will say. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you also enjoyed this look, which I really like this look, and so if you also enjoyed this look and you liked this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you do subscribe, you should definitely hit the bell to get notifications every single time that I upload. If you want to follow me on Instagram, definitely do so, and I really appreciate you guys watching this video, and if you have any suggestions for me for any other videos that you want to see, definitely comment them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.